Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, what's up, decent?
Hey, what's up? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Sweet.
yeah.
How's it going, man?
Oh, pretty good, dude. So, I hung that bid down there at 41.15. I made a looser stop because I only went with one instead of two. That's just because of a knife catch, right?
Right.
So what
I'm
I'm
not in it right now, but I might get in it right now.
Oh,
We'll
okay.
see.
So what I'm looking to have happen is I'm looking for this fair value gap to hold, and it's actually it's an order block. So I'm looking for it to hold and then potentially push up to clear out the high of day. Really, what I'd like to see is a run on this level, and then a trade back in, and then we'll bracket in into a fair value gap.
Okay.
So I'm operating under the expectation that that will be the opening low, the low range. So I could bump the stop up, right? Especially now we're almost up 7 handles. Um, but I don't want to get stomped out on the dig back down through. So we'll see. But what I'm looking for is for this area to be ran out.
Okay. I'm gonna try to see if we can get back to our level, and I'll get in that position.
Yep, and then like this right here would be an add spot, so we can add one more. Oh, I was talking, didn't get into it, but I would have added one more right there. That would have gave us our two that we want to trade with. So right
Order
there.
submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
And actually what I could do is, since now I'm at 2, I could kind of bracket in and out of the
Order
position.
canceled.
So I could put like one stop here at the low, and then I could put another stop down here. That way I'd get knocked out of both positions. But so now we're in 2. So what we're looking for is a break right here. And if we can break here, when we trade back down in, we'll go up to 7 total.
Order submitted.
And then so like I expect that to happen. So what I'll do is like up here at like 41.40, I'll
Order
put one
submitted.
sell. That's allows us to like build up some equity. Ultimately, though, the goal would be to run both these highs because I think our premium draws up there at like 40, 42.50. So we could just set another one
Order
here for
submitted.
now.
Oh dang, dude! I'm in the position right now at 4120, but I'm on a different account, so I
Oh,
need to
okay.
try to switch over. I need to switch over here in a second and try to find an entry.
Right.
I'm gonna get out of this one.
So right here, like we would want to add, but what we want to see happen first is the break of structure. So this is kind of
Right.
your Judas swing down. So this is what I'm expecting to be that low. We can see on Q's it still has a little tiny imbalance here. But yeah, if this goes right, then we should capture 70 handles. Which on 2 contracts, that's still pretty good. And our time frame that we're really looking to operate for that push would be like 9:50 to 10:10. We can delete this now. We don't need this anymore. What we'll do is give us our tiny one right here. We can see how that fair value gap's kind of being respected.
They navigate that with their own individual.
Man, I have a bid at 18, but it's not coming back for me.
Oh, I have a feeling we'll get another shot, like probably push to 41.40 and then come back down into like 41.30.
Okay.
But we'll see how she does. I would still keep that bid hanging there.
Yeah.
But we'll just see if yesterday's buyers, you know, still feel the same. Because that's what we're operating under, is that yesterday's buyers that missed out are still looking for a chance to get filled. But this reaction that we saw right at that level, right at that 41.15, and how we've already started pushing away from it, that's pretty good. I imagine we'll get momentum as soon as this line right here is broken, because that will make people think that, well, we got to run our overnight high. So now we're getting some push. What is this on? It's 136 bucks. That's pretty good for our small, you know, small account. We'd like to see mean threshold of this not get traded into. So on the 1 minute, that is mean threshold of this candle. We'd like to see it not trade below 41.28. Oh, there's 41.27.75. I saw it click. Yeah, they're fighting over it right now. Since we're already in the position, we do like that we're not leaving behind imbalances, because that means if we do get going, we're pretty balanced on the book of it. See it print past this. MNQ is much stronger than MES. So we're up 200 bucks. Or 170. where is this exact level here? 4137. Probably should lower the sell limit to 4137, but should be right here. We'll see if we can get a push.
Order filled.
There we go. There's our first one. All right, so now what we'd be looking for, we do have our break of structure as far as this trapping action is concerned. So what we'd look for is to buy 4132. And what would this be first? 4127. I don't like that. We could do buy 4132 with a stop at 4131. We might get enter here and then get wicked down right there. So
Order submitted.
that will be our buy. And this candle's low should be our stop. I'd like to build in a sizable position though. So let's go, we'll buy one here. And then what we'll do is down here, we'll switch over to our ATM strat. Oh, Mac can't hear me. And what we'll do over here with our 5 is
Order submitted.
we'll set it right there. So we're looking to get filled on yeah, that's a good level. Because if we trade past this level here, it's more than likely that we're gonna go test low a day again. We're gonna decrease our sell limit. No, we'll keep it right at 2. And it's a good spot for this. This is a mitigation block. This is our fair value gap right here that we filled. This is our breakaway gap. We should have a measuring gap right here. So we'll consolidate, maybe dip into, and then should explode to push high of day. So we'll put our stop. We'll bump it back to break even. I'll find a better spot for it. What does one? $100. we're inside that algorithm that we're looking for the push, that 950 to 1010. So by 1010, we're looking to either run out this high or this high. So this would be our short-term high, intermediate high. And right where we rejected, I was looking at earlier, it was, yeah, this, the 7th, the high from a week ago. But there's no reason to get, you know, kind of like paper hands right now, because we got exactly what we wanted. We got the respect of yesterday's imbalance, and then look how this 15-minute candle looks right here. So this is primed for continuation. So all we're doing is we're looking for any opportunity to get long. And we've already built up good equity. You know, $200 on 2 contracts is good. That purged through the midnight open. We can delete some of this stuff off the screen if we want. I probably sound like Lil Wayne over here sparking my lighter so much. Now, you could be more aggressive with this buy limit and put it at like right around your mean. Because, you know, if it's going to remain bullish, it shouldn't, it's probably unlikely that it goes down to that level. So we could up this to like 41.35. $41.38.25 is the mean on the 5-minute. Oh, we're pushing 30 handles.
I'm so mad right now. But being on the wrong account and not getting that initial entry,
Mm-hmm. No, I totally get it.
I'm gonna have to catch up later, probably.
4150 is a solid level. That's just like a psych level. So this has rejection risk on it because it has been a pivot point for people moving forward. We'll see how price reacts to it. The speed and distance I do like. So if you bumped this up to here, you are putting on more risk. Our break even would then come up to and right around this level. So I don't like to chase at all. So I'll let it do what it does. If it comes down here, I'd love to buy it, right? But up here is kind of almost buying near high of day of during, regular trading hours. We'll see if she'll take out 4165. But we still have 14 minutes left of our juice that we're expecting. So at 10:10, we'll look to get out, and then we can rehang our bids where we like them. If we were on a larger port and this was a mini, this would be a real good trade right here.
What would that? Were you talking to me by chance?
Yeah, I said if we were on minis right now, this would be a real good trade right here on a larger account.
Oh, yeah, I know. On my other account that I was using and I got in on, I went ahead and closed that position because I wanted to follow along with their 100K static.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, so I messed up.
Oh, it's all good, dude. We'll be doing this. We'll be doing this
I know we
every
got
day.
time.
Yeah. Generally playing it safe like this, we can pass it within the 7 days. But if it takes 10, it's fine. So we're up to 172 on this position. Now we do have imbalances down. I might want to take profit here soon. We got 12 more minutes of juice. Get rid of this box, bring her up here. Yeah, MNQ. That's what I should have put on. So MNQ just cleared that short-term high. And this is obvious buy side liquidity since this high matched up with another day's high. So we know that there's definitely stops up here, and if we're seeking liquidity, that's where we're gonna run to. We got 9 minutes left. This down here is becoming increasingly unlikely. So we could look for a snapback into 41.45. That's when you get that quick displacement wick down and then shoot back up. Eight minutes left. And we're not going to hit this in 8 minutes. So what we can do is bring this down just to kind of raid that high where we're approaching right now. And then that'll get us flat or a potential 1030 reversal. We'd be missing out on an additional potentially 20 more handles. But I think we're going to get a pullback pretty soon. This has been pretty linear. There's 40 handles. Give us one final push. Six minutes left. Okay, and if we dig in, what we want to see hold would be this level here. Right here. So we do not want to see price trade down past this level here. Then we're looking for this final push. We got 5 minutes left. And here's where our rejection risk is right here. We're just looking to purge into that. We don't know if we're going to get a ton of Momo to push the high a day, but we're okay with that. That's looking like a kind of a double top. A small time span. So pretty much we're just trying to squeeze out 5 more handles. We got 4 minutes. Three more minutes. And be ready to flatten. Give us the juice. 3 minutes left. Two minutes. One minute left. Looks like we're starting to turn. Let's see if we can get that final whoosh, right up in there. 1 minute left though. Okay, there's 10-10. We can close this out, or you can place your stop at that candle's low.
Order canceled.
Like down to here. But you see how price is already acting. It's already acting kind of funny. We'll just set it right there. We'll see what happens. But I'm okay with it either way. Because what I was expecting is this needs to get ran out.
Order filled.
Okay, cool.
Order canceled.
So now we're out of the trade. Now looking for potential reversals, and where price could come back into would be this 41.45 level and then that 41.29. The 41.29 has the built-in stops. And this one doesn't. See if it prints that. Hmm. 1 minute off. right there. Damn thing. So we would have gotten an extra 3. But yeah, so now it's hitting here. We'll see if it just raids it. But on a pullback, this is where we're looking to get long. Barley, is that from you recovered the account taking that trade right there? There you go, bud. Oh, monkey, your stop never hit. All right, so let's say hypothetically you didn't move your stop. What you're looking for, monkey, is I would target 50% of this candle here, this wick. Okay, that's 41.77. And then obviously you could target the candle's high. But you might be sitting in it a little while.